Welcome to my Dollarwise mini budgeting course. In this video, we're going to cover what Dollarwise is, the features that it offers, and the costs. In the next videos, we'll actually jump into setting up a budget, tracking transactions, etc. Let's get started. As of the filming of this course, Dollarwise got a big update which makes this app much easier to use. Dollarwise breaks down budgeting into the very simple format of the 50-30-20 rule. 20% of income goes to savings first, then 50% of your income goes towards needs, and lastly 30% goes towards wants. And Dollarwise actually helps you take your income and break it down so that you understand what kinds of changes you need to make to your budget. A lot of other budgeting apps make budgeting more complicated, but I do like the 50-30-20 rule for how easy it is to understand. Now, Dollarwise does not have a free version. It comes with a 3-day free trial, which isn't that much time to test it for yourself. So you'll likely have to sign up for one of their paid tiers, so either their monthly or their annual plan. Right now, it's $10 per month for the first 3 months, then $15 per month after that, or you can do the annual version of $100 for the whole year. And it comes with a meal plan and a digital budget-friendly cookbook. This is Caleb Hammer's budget app that he and his team developed, so props to them for getting an app together. In the next video, we'll look at adding accounts and transactions to the app.